Hello guys, this is CryptoWise here and welcome to this video. I hope you guys are doing great. So before starting today's video, I want to let you guys know that I will be making regular videos after the month of Ramadan. In today's video, I will be discussing about an ICO, Sparkster. Let's see what we have over here. So this is how the Sparkster website it looks like. So what they are doing is that they are promising us to provide a decentralized cloud computing platform in which users will be able to make their own decentralized applications by using Sparkster software development kit and tool. And the best part is this, that you can make your own software written in plain English and logic, and their toolkit will do the coding on the background. And this is great for those people who don't know about computer software and different programming languages and who want to make their own blockchain applications. These users will be welcome to use this Sparkster platform. This is a great vision, and also they are trying to achieve high throughputs such as 10 million transactions per second. So this is a very big promise from Sparkster. So let us now see how their technology it works. Here this is a Sparkster tech stack. Here you can see there are many mobile devices and many computers. So what they will do is that they will divide all these applications in small cells, and they are basically doing the sharding. Consistent hashing will be done on all these small cells. You can consider these applications in small cells as a separate blockchain that is managed by the Sparkster main chain. Then we have this consensus protocol. So they will be providing security and privacy through this federated consensus protocol. This is basically known as federated Bazinite consensus protocol that came from Stellar consensus protocol. And what this protocol it does is that it divides the network in slices and does the consensus on those small slices known as quorum slices. Because of this, they are able to achieve 1000 plus transaction per second. So this is how they will do a lot of transaction per second. When the network will be full of nodes, then the overall transaction per second will increase, and all this will run in parallel. Then on top they have decentralized exchanges, Oracle implementations and deployment. Then they have Sparkster Platform. Their platform will provide multi-chain services and also IoT and artificial intelligence, and rest of the APIs can be integrated with their software that users will be able to write in plain English. This will work on HTML interfaces. So for example, if I write my software in Sparkster, I will write it in the plain English. Then my software will be able to connect with the rest of the HTML APIs, and also I will be able to integrate with other websites and different platforms. So in this way, the overall ecosystem of these applications will grow. Also, they are providing multi-chain capabilities, and first they will consider for Ethereum, and then other such as Neo and Cardano integration will take place later in their roadmap. So this is their ecosystem. Here they are just showing that you have any idea, then you can build that on plain English, and then they will convert that into the software. Then you can find your customer and marketplace, which is your basically the job of your software, and you can run that on decentralized clouds. You can get 10 million transactions per second, which is a great throughput that can even support gaming and all the big applications that you will be able to run on top of that. So this is a great vision overall. They have a testnet that resulted in approximately 53,000 transactions per second, and they only use 50 cells. So you can watch the video of this testnet from here. You can also sign up for their testnet. So here you have it. You can go and fill this form, and then you will be able to test the testnet of Sparkster. Then what we have next. So this is how the Sparkster platform will look like. The interfaces will be simple. It will be like drag and drop interfaces. So users will be able to make these interfaces by themselves. This is basically the graphical user interface that user will be designing, and they have this notepad kind of thing on which they will making this logic and solving the puzzles. So this is very easy to learn. They have a demo of it, and after writing this software, you will be able to integrate your plain English software with other APIs and other world software. So you will be able to make a one complete enterprise solution that will be much easier to build on Sparkster blockchain platform. And here they have a demo of it. You can go and check it out in detail. This is basically a great vision. Then you can sign up for this if you want to try this software and learn about the features of their software development kit tool. So here you can go and click that link, and you will be able to learn how to build your own code in plain English on Sparkster platform. So this is how they will be working. Then let us check about their team. So here we have the advisors. They have two top-notch advisors. One is from SAP and Oracle. He knows about the cloud computing and he is Senior Vice President SAP. Then here we have Professor Gary Levins, and he is also Chairman of Computer Science Department UCF, and he is expert in computer programming languages. Then this is their leadership team. They comprise of 4 members. Sajjad Daya is basically CEO of Sparkster and he has worked in Cisco. Then we have Amit Kumar, VP Technology. Then we have Shabir Kirmani, Tech Evangelist. Then we have Diane Rajiv, VP Human Resource. So these are leadership team comprised of 4 members. They have vast past experience from Cisco, HSBC, Citibank, and AT&T, Accenture, IBM, Infosys, all big companies. Then they have these warriors. They have these 5 team lead guys, and they are also experienced senior engineers. Then all these other guys are also software engineers. So they have a very experienced team. So let us now check the community. First, let us check the Twitter of Sparkster. They have 12.3k members in Twitter. Then they have a YouTube channel in which you will able to see all these videos and interviews about Sparkster. So I highly recommend go and check these videos out. You will learn a lot about Sparkster. Then they have this Reddit group which has 5.5k members. Then they have Facebook which also have around 7.1k members. And then this is their LinkedIn profile, and this is the Sparkster company. They are London based. They have the headquarters in London. They are founded in 2018. So the overall vision of Sparkster is great. I really like the idea behind Sparkster. So before ending today's video, I want to show you guys about this article that I wrote about Sparkster 5 days ago. So this is also in detail. So go and check that article out. I will put the link in description so you can go and see that article too. So all the details are here. So before ending, let me tell you another thing, that they have a reward program. So if anyone is interested to apply for this reward program, then they have to sign this up, and there they will give you some points that will be useful for you to participate in the crowd sale. So go and log in, register for the bounty program. You will get points for many things, so you can go and check that out. And let us see the roadmap. Here we have the roadmap of Sparkster. So in Q4 2018 they will launch public alpha release of Sparkster decentralized cloud. So this will be big. And in 2019 they will be integrating with Neo, Cardano, Stellar, and leading networks to facilitate payment transactions. Then we have this token distribution. This is how they will distribute the tokens. So 20% tokens are for initial investors, then 10% are for Sparkster team, 2% are for exchange listing liquidity, 1% is for charity, and 67% is for sale. I really like this allocation. This is a good allocation done by Sparkster team. Then the funds breakdown is this, that they will use for R&D 20%, 10% for developing a global customer success team, then expanding infrastructure 10%, 5% for reserve for unforeseen circumstances, 3% accounting and legal fee for public launch, and etc. So this is how the allocation of funds will be look like. Then we have token details. So right now it is ERC20 token, and the symbol is Spark. So circulating supply expected is around 290 million, and the token type will be utility. The initial price of ICO will be 0.15 US dollars. Before ending today's video, I want to let you guys know that if you are interested in Sparkster, then please do your own research and due diligence before making any investment decision. My videos are only for educational purposes, and if you feel that Sparkster is a good investment, then you can go and join their Telegram and join the whitelisting and all the process for the sale. I wish you best of luck. And will I be investing? Yes, I will be investing in Sparkster, and I am looking for some quick gains from this Sparkster project. So this is my honest opinion. So best of luck, guys. If you are interested in Sparkster, go and check this out. This is a very promising project, and I wish you best of luck. Till my next video, take care, keep supporting CryptoWise, and also, guys, this channel is not dead. I will be making videos regularly after Ramadan, and it is very difficult to make videos in Ramadan and also to do job at the same time. Keep supporting CryptoWise, be the part of CryptoWise family. Till next time, thank you so much, guys. Please subscribe my channel. Bye bye, guys.